YouTube family, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is McKinney, and I love making videos about capsule wardrobing and sustainable style made easy. Now, if you've seen my last video, which was a 10 by 10 capsule wardrobe challenge, you know that I really tried to be creative without using the color black. And it turns out that this video ended up being kind of the opposite of that, as so many of these outfits are like head to toe black. But I mean, you don't see me complaining. Of course, as you can tell by the title, today's video is 10 outfits with one black turtleneck. So how can you wear this super basic piece 10 different ways? And I found that it was such a fun project to do, not only for the black turtleneck, but you could do this with any versatile piece in your wardrobe. I really emphasize that you give this a shot because I found myself really loving some of the outfits that I found online that I was able to recreate in my wardrobe. Using just one piece and switching up the pieces that you wear it with, you're able to find a ton of different looks for a bunch of different occasions. So I hope that you all enjoy this video and that it inspires you to give this a shot in your own wardrobe. Now, before we get started, I have to say a big thank you to all of you. As I was putting these outfits together, I realized today more than I did in the past that this is a really important part of my life. I am busy writing and reading pretty much all day long. Even my job requires me to be doing that. And so putting together these outfits offers me a really necessary creative outlet, and it just helps me be creative in new and different ways that isn't just writing and reading. So thank you all so much for giving me a platform to be able to do this and to share it with all of you. It honestly brings so much joy to my life. And I'm so thankful for this YouTube channel. That being said, I of course would love to continue growing, and I have all of you to thank for how much I have grown so far. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment if you have a really versatile piece in your wardrobe, and if it happens to be a turtleneck, let me know too. Let's go ahead and get into the outfits, which is the best part. So this first outfit was inspired by this one by Lee from Style Bee, who I tagged in my last video because she kind of inspired me to try the 10 by 10 capsule wardrobe challenge. I really love this look. I don't have all of these pieces exactly, so I had to switch it up a bit. You can see that I'm wearing the white pants, so that is kind of a direct match, but I don't necessarily have this long patterned coat, and she doesn't have the turtleneck tucked in, as well as her boots are just a little bit more casual. Now, my casual boots are brown, and I wanted to really keep the color continuity between my top and my shoes. And so I'm wearing my black Acne Jensen boots here, and I've added kind of a soft, cozy cardigan on top that I still think has the same relaxed vibe, but is of course not patterned. I love this look. It's both easy and it's dressed up. I actually hadn't put this combination together before, and so I really love the way that it looks, and I look forward to wearing it throughout the season. This next outfit is one inspired by a fashion blogger called Wardrobe Oxygen. I found her on Pinterest, and she is pinned over in my Pinterest board if you're interested in looking into more of her stuff. You all know, based on my fall winter capsule wardrobe, that I recently added a floral midi skirt to my capsule, and I've just been looking for ways to wear it, and I really love this look. I think that the black in the skirt and the black in the turtleneck creates this really long line, but the bling in the belt really offers this kind of shine that I think looks really nice. And then of course, I'm wearing my black Acne Jensen boots again because I think they are such a timeless piece that I could wear with literally any outfit. You can see that they show up in a lot of these outfits, and I think that's just testament to how great they are and how easy they are to style. This next look is inspired by this picture that I found on Pinterest. Now, I showed this picture during my fall capsule planning video. I showed it because I really loved the way that the socks were layered under the pants with the dress shoes, but I also love the way that this turtleneck is layered under a chunky cardigan. I haven't yet added a chunky cardigan to my wardrobe, though it is on my capsule wish list, so I've decided to pair it with with a V-neck cotton sweater. I really like this look and the way that it layers. Now, you know that in the photo, the model is wearing it with dress pants, but I styled dress pants in some of the other outfits that you'll be seeing, and so I wanted to just kind of cling to my classic black denim. I really, really love this look. And I also decided to switch it up a bit as inspired by this photo, and I really loved the way that the crew neck sweater looked on top of the turtleneck. And so I decided to give that a shot with this outfit as well, and I really like it. I honestly don't think that it looks boring as an all black outfit because the turtleneck has this really nice thin texture to it, and then the cashmere sweater offers this fuzzy texture, and then the jeans are rigid. And so you have this really nice mixture of textures. And of course, the gold belt and jewelry always adds that just little bit, that little touch of shine that I think you need in any outfit. This next outfit is inspired by Candace M. Tay, who is an Instagrammer and fashion influencer on Instagram. I love her profile. I think she is absolutely fantastic. I have seen several of her outfits throughout, and I just saved this one like forever ago. And I was scrolling through my saved photos on Instagram, and I found this outfit and I knew it was just perfect for this video. I think that this is really creative way to wear a turtleneck. Layering under a button-down shirt just kind of refreshes the entire outfit and gives it kind of that cool, professional, but still dressed down look. I really, really like this outfit and I think it's fantastic. So I've tucked the front into my pants to show off my belt, but I also really like the way that it looks untucked. So I think you can wear it both ways here, and I like it both ways. They are slightly different kind of feelings, if that makes any sense. But of course, Candace does a really, really great job with styling, and I'm so glad that I was able to kind of directly match her outfit from pieces that I already had in my wardrobe. This next look is inspired by this pin that I pinned on Pinterest. My outfit is a little bit different because I don't have a lot of these same pieces. And I also found that belting the shirt dress that I do own doesn't really look that nice since the shirt dress that I have is a little bit more boxy and the fabric is a bit more rigid. But even though I wasn't able to match this completely, I still absolutely adored this look and I hadn't put it together before at all, which just goes to show how fantastic Pinterest can be to inspire you to wear your clothes in new ways. So I layered the turtleneck under my shirt dress, which is kind of a chambray fabric. It's from COS. I really love this dress. It's in my all year basics wardrobe, but I have to be honest, I was struggling to find ways to wear it in cooler weather, but I think that layering a turtleneck underneath it is just a fantastic way to do it. I really love this look. I think that these stockings also offer this kind of nice continual black line throughout my body, which really lengthens my legs, especially since I'm wearing black shoes. But of course, these shoes are just a little bit more formal. They're the Everlane Day Heel, and even though I wear them on a daily basis, some might not feel comfortable wearing a block heel just, to go to the supermarket. I really like to dress up, but there's definitely a great way to make this a little bit less formal, and that is to wear sneakers. So I've also styled it here with sneakers, and I think this is a great look. The white of the sneaker definitely kind of breaks up that long line, but I'm not bothered by it. I really like it. I think that the bag across the body also offers just this kind of like cool vibe. It's like a nod to the trend where people are wearing like fanny packs across their bodies, but it's kind of more classic since it is like a crossbody bag and people have been wearing crossbody bags for ages. And I also don't have a fanny pack and don't think I necessarily need one. So this is a great way to just like nod to that trend without having to purchase anything new. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling about this outfit. Just know that I really, really like it. So the great thing about fashion that has an emphasis on basics is that a lot of it can be androgynous, right? You can transition from masculine to feminine really easily because basic pieces tend to like cross gender boundaries, right? So men wear black turtlenecks, women wear black turtlenecks, men wear white t-shirts, women wear white t-shirts, and everything in between. So I really loved this photo from Tim Desant. I don't know if that's how you pronounce his last name, so Tim, forgive me if I pronounced it incorrectly. I really love this outfit, and I believe the caption to this outfit on his Instagram has something to do with like embracing the New York City dress code, and I thought that was kind of fun. I live in Southern California, so you definitely don't see people walking around LA and like this outfit. This is like a huge wool coat, and I don't own a wool coat, but I do own a black blazer, so I wanted to kind of style this that was more friendly for my climate. I really like this all black look. It's solemn, but it's cool, and Tim just wears it excellently, and I'm so glad to be inspired by him. This next look is same but different. I have kept the dress pants on and I've kept the turtleneck on, but we're really going for a completely different look. This one was inspired by a dark academia outfit by Erica Dwyer that I found on my reels on Instagram. If you haven't watched my dark academia video, my fashion university video, definitely go check it out. I play around with a lot of this like dark academia aesthetic, and I'm glad to be inspired from it again for this outfit. So thank you, Erica. I really like the way that this looks. I didn't have plaid pants like she does, and so I've gone for a patterned blazer instead to kind of get that pattern solid mixture. And I really like the lace-up boots with his outfit. I wouldn't have put it together before, but now that I'm wearing it, I really love the way it looks. And it reminds me that my first semester of graduate school, I took a class in Victorian literature, and my professor was always wearing lace-up boots with his dress pants, and I really admired him for it. So I'm glad to be matching these boots with these pants. I really like the way that it looks. And of course, the turtleneck underneath the blazer, as I have said before, such a timeless combination and looks chic on anybody. This next look is from As Seen by Lauren, who I've recently followed on Instagram and really love her style. I think we have a pretty similar style actually, and I really love watching her videos. So definitely give her a follow if you haven't yet. She actually did a reel on Instagram where she did some outfits with black turtleneck as well, and so I guess we're kind of twinning. But I really love this specific outfit that she put together. I kind of have good pieces that are direct matches to this outfit, but I hadn't put them together before. And so I really love the way that this looks. And I really like the little backpack that she has. And thankfully I have this vintage backpack that was my mom from years and years ago. And so I think it's just a nice touch. It makes it a little bit different, something that I wouldn't have thought of, but am super excited to wear now. This look is a just total embracing of the basics. We've got a black turtleneck, straight leg jeans, and a blazer. What more could you ask for? Honestly, I really love this look, and I had to throw in a look that was just as classic as this one because it really embodies my style. I really also like the shoe pairing that the model has in this photo, which is the loafers with the socks underneath it. I don't have black loafers. I do have tan brown loafers, but I didn't think that that would get that same kind of continuous black that you get underneath the jeans, and I really like that look. So I've opted for my Acne Jensen boots just to keep that line going, and I really love this look. I'll definitely wear it, and yeah, I think it's excellent. Now this next outfit, I just had to style a turtleneck with my slip dress because I really love this dress. And I put an outfit together in my fall winter capsule wardrobe tour where I wore the turtleneck underneath the slip dress and I liked how that looked, but I wanted to play around with the turtleneck looked like on top of the dress. So I've layered the turtleneck on top, tied it in a knot to really accentuate my waist there, and have paired it with my Acne Jensen boots. I've also layered some gold jewelry to bring some interest up top. I really like the way that it looks. You can also wear this with sneakers to make it a little bit more casual, but I think this is just endlessly chic, and the contrast between the textures of the turtleneck and the silkiness of the dress, I think, is a really nice combination. And I love this outfit. It's really easy to put together. It's really just two pieces, a dress and a turtleneck, and you just tie it in a knot. And I love how styling it in that way can just make an outfit really different and super chic. All right, everybody, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this has inspired you to take one of your most basic pieces and try to style it in as many ways as you can. You can head over to Pinterest and just type that piece into the search bar. For this, a lot of my search was black turtleneck outfit or black turtleneck street style. You can find so many creative ways to style up basics and give them this renewed feeling. So I really suggest that you do it. Like I said before, comment below and let me know what you think of this kind of style spotlight video where I emphasize one piece in my wardrobe and I style it a bunch of different ways. I want to know if my videos are helpful to you all so I can make more of that kind. I really enjoyed making this one, so I hope that you liked it. If you have a minute, please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like this video. It really helps to support me as a creator and I super duper appreciate it. Once again, thank you so much for watching. It's been an honor to spend this time with you. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have an awesome day. Bye!